Garden questions come in quite often. This one looks quite a complicated one. So we're told we've got two rectangles here. We've got a triangle and we've also got a sector of a circle. So that's going to be fun. He's going to cover his garden with seed. The seed covers 14 metres of garden. Each bag costs that. How much will he need to buy? Okay, so we need to find the area of his garden. Area 1 is a quadrant of a complete circle, the radius being 7. Vertical side 7, horizontal side 7. So area 1 will be a quarter multiplied by pi r squared, which is pi multiplied by 49. Area 2 is a simple rectangle. This will be 11 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 77. We've got a triangle for area 3. The width of the triangle is 11 and the height 9, and we've got half of it. So this will be a half, 11 multiplied by 9. 11 times 9 is 99, and half of it will be 49.5. Area 4, again, is a simple rectangle. So area 4 is 9 multiplied by 7, and this will be equal to 63. Now we just need to add this lot up, and you get an answer of 227.98451. And this is meters squared. And this goes on forever, mainly because of the pi. Okay, so each seed packet covers 14 meters of this total. So we need to work out how many packets he needs. So 227 divided by 14 is equal to 16.28. And as he won't want to run out, this would mean he would have to buy 17 bags. We're told that each bag is $10.95, therefore the cost must be equal to 17 multiplied by £10.95, which works out to be £186.15. And that's your answer.